Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce bread. First, gather your ingredients, including your preferred bread, butter, flour, and milk. We will begin by preparing the bread, ensuring it is ready to absorb the creamy sauce. Next, we will focus on creating a smooth and flavorful white sauce from scratch. Finally, we will assemble the dish, adding any desired toppings, and prepare it for serving. This guide makes the process straightforward and enjoyable. For the perfect white sauce bread, selecting the right foundation is key. Opt for a robust bread, such as a good quality sourdough or a hearty country loaf, which can hold up well to the sauce. Slice your chosen bread into pieces approximately 1 inch thick. This thickness ensures a satisfying bite and prevents the bread from disintegrating. Lightly toasting these slices before adding the sauce creates a slight crispness and helps them absorb the creamy goodness without becoming overly soft. Now let's create the star of our dish, the creamy white sauce. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to form a smooth roux. This is the base for our sauce. Gradually pour in 2 cups of warm milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue to cook and whisk until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. With your bread toasted and your white sauce perfectly creamy, it's time for assembly. Arrange the lightly toasted bread slices on a serving plate or a baking sheet if you plan to briefly warm them. Spoon a generous amount of the warm white sauce over each piece of bread, ensuring full coverage. For an extra touch of flavor, you might garnish with some freshly chopped parsley or a light sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve your delicious white sauce bread immediately to enjoy its warmth and comforting texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.